Hi Daddy Mommy, welcome to My Lovely Baby. I'm Joseph, Baby Boss.
I'm Alila. So Baby Boss, what we have today?
Today we have a very special Trike, which is Doona Liki. Once it folds, it's the smallest and most compact in the world.
Wow! Before that, don't forget to like and follow us.
Doona Liki suffer from 10 months up to 36 months with a max load of 20 kg.
Wow! But Baby Boss,
Yes.
I can see this design very different with other bicycle.
Yes, what we can see here is a Doona Liki S3 series with a contemporary and modern design with a smooth quality and mechanism. And it also provides maximum functionality and comfort.
Baby Boss,
Yes.
can you show us the packaging?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we can see that Doona Liki is come in a box and is fully assembled so that you can ready to go out of the box. It's also ideal for travel where you can easily fit in your car boot and air flight cabin. It's made from high quality material to ensure long lasting quality. As you can see that there's a UV protection sun canopy, padded seat and backrest, patterned handlebar for parents control. The frame is made from a fiber reinforced polymer with rust-free materials, and the wheel is a soft right wheel. For safety wise, it comes with a 3-point harness and a surrounding safety bar right here. The bar can be easily removed as well.
Baby Boss,
Yep.
there are few buttons. Can you show the function?
Yeah, sure. So there's few buttons here, right? You can see that the first button to share with you is that the dual parent and child steering system. So they can see that this steering actually control on the wheel, but children is not controlling the wheel. So when we lock this button, children can now control on the wheels as well as the parents.
What about this button?
Okay, this is the pedal control buttons. So you can see that now the pedal is not controlling the wheels. So this actually fall under pedal disengage mode. So when you push this button, now it's a pedal engage mode. When you turn the pedal, the wheel is turning front and backwards. There's also a red color button right here. It's actually an interchange between a pedal and a footrest.
Doona Liki have 4 stages. Baby Boss, can you share with our parents?
Yeah, sure. So stage 1 is called parent mode, support from 10 months up to 18 months. So you can see that the canopy is here, come with a backrest adjustable, and then the safety bar is on. And this parent's control bar is ready, and then the footrest is ready for the baby, so that parents can take control of the seat. Second stage is called a push mode, suitable for baby from 18 months up to 24 months. So for this stage, we remove the safety bar, take it out, left and right, and then also remove the canopy. And you are ready to go. Stage 3 is called a tricycle mode, suitable for 24 months up to 30 months. So for now, this footrest can be adjusted and put it here as a pedal. But this pedal, baby is not controlling the padding and also not controlling the steering. So now parent is still controlling the direction and speed. Now come to stage 4, we call it a bike mode for children above 24 months. So for now, parents get less control for the children. So firstly, we remove the parent's control bar. Then we set the steering for the children control and let it sit down for the backrest. Set the pedal engage and release the brake, and you can now ride freely like a big kid.
Doona Liki is the most compact track in the world. So Baby Boss, can you show us how to fold?
Okay, sure. Okay, let's see. Easily. First, canopy. Second, release the safety bar. Okay, then the button right here to release the handlebar. There's a button right here. Press and fold it down. Then fold down the back seat and the canopy. Now, lastly, release the parent's control bar. And there you go. So this is the Doona Liki after fold. If you like this product, remember they come with a 1-year warranty.
So if you like our video, don't forget to like and follow us. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!